Hello and welcome guys, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Guys, today I'm going to show about this viral reel which you have seen in the preview. So guys, if you want to edit this trend, keep watching this video and let's start. So guys, first you need VN application to edit this video. VN app easily find on Play Store. When you open this application, you will get interface like this, and guys, you need 6 photos of yourself to edit this video. And to import the photos, click on the plus icon and click the new project option and select the 6 photos from your phone library according to you. Okay, guys, you have to select like this and have to forward from here. Have to take like this. Okay, and guys, first you delete the VN default clip from here and select the ratio of 9.16. Okay, now guys, we will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel, and Telegram link is given on the description. Guys, first you download the reel video from my Telegram channel. After that, we will extract the music from that reel. Okay, so guys, once when you will download the reel video, after that you have to click on the plus icon and click the music option. Now have to click on the plus icon and click the extract from video option. Now you have to select that reel which you have downloaded from Telegram. Okay, so I have to select that reel. Okay, now guys, you have to click on the OK option. Then guys, click on the choose option and have to done from here. You can see music will be added. Now guys, we have to trim our photos according to music. So first I trim the photos. After that I will tell you the photos durations. Okay. Okay guys, you have seen how to trim the photos. Now note the photos durations. First photo duration is 3.66 second. Second photo duration is 2.19 second. Third is 4.19 second. And fourth photo duration is 4.16 second. 3 second. Okay. And last photo duration is 4.15 seconds. So guys, you have to keep the durations like this. Now guys, you have to add the text on your all photos. So to add the text, click on the plus icon and click the text option and input the title here. First title is why do you love him so much. Okay, and have to done from here. Now guys, you have to increase your timeline till the end. Okay, now guys, you will split the timeline from your all photos. Split option you will get on here, so split from here. Now second split from here, and third split from here, fourth split from here, and last split from here. Okay, in this way you have to divide your text timeline into 6 parts. Okay, now guys, you have to click on the second text timeline and click on the edit option. Now you have to remove this text okay, and type the second text, which is I don't know why. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, now you have to done from here. Now click on the third text timeline and click on the edit option and remove the text again. Okay, and type your third text, which is but every time look into your eyes. Okay, and now have to done from here. Now click the fourth timeline and edit from here, remove again and type the fourth text, which is I see 1,000 falling shooting stars. Okay, okay, now you have to done from here and click the next timeline and edit this, remove this timeline and type your fifth text, which is and yes I love him. Now have to done from here. Now click the last timeline, edit from here, remove this text and the text here, sixth timeline, I can't believe that every night you are by my side. Okay, now guys, you can select the fonts from here while typing last text. So click on the fonts option and select the fonts according to you. So I have to select this, and then guys you have to click on the apply to all option and fonts will be applied on the all text. Okay, you can see. Now guys, you can adjust your text according to you and can place your text wherever you want. Okay, so guys, now your video is completed. Now you can save this video. To save this video, click on the export option from top right corner and have to done from here. Then guys, you have to click on the save to album option and video will be saved. Now guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos editing. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.